The most luxurious watches in the world. Patek Philippe World Timer Guilloche Ref. Patek Philippe is one of the world's top luxury watch brands, so be prepared to see the name many times on this list. First up, this ultra-rare Patek Philippe World Timer, one of only 4 in existence. In fact, only 2 versions of the timepiece have ever appeared at auction. This one is crafted in rose gold with an elegant and highly distinctive guilloche pattern dial. One of the first Patek Philippe creations to incorporate the brand's dual crown system. You use one crown to wind the watch and the other to control the city disc for the 24-city timer. The combination of polished and brushed surfaces adds to the sophisticated aura of this one-of-a-kind timekeeper. Movement. Manual. The 6th of November 2020. This watch already broke a world record as the most expensive watch ever after going on sale at Antiquorum's Geneva auction in April 2002. Where it went for 6.6 million Swiss francs, it was then hardly seen again. Until it arrived at Christie's Hong Kong auction house in 2021, further adding to its enigmatic and unattainable air. Today, it no longer holds the status of the world's priciest watch, but it remains a highly coveted timepiece. The only platinum reference 1415 Hu in the world. This Patek Philippe masterpiece offers serious high-end drama with its monochrome aesthetic. The world time mechanism is considered Patek Philippe's first production world timer. The 13th of April 2002. Patek Philippe Yellow Gold Caliber 89, $6 million. Known for some time as the most complicated wristwatch in the world, the Caliber 89 by Patek Philippe is one of only 4. The other 3 are made from pink gold, white gold, and platinum. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, the timepiece features no less than 33 complications, including sunrise and sunset times. World time for 125 cities, a perpetual calendar, split-second chronograph, minute repeater, barometer, altimeter and compass. No wonder it took 9 years to build the movement alone, or that it's a top contender for the world's most expensive gold watch. Despite this impressive engineering, Caliber 89 failed to find an owner during its most recent auction. Best for. One of the most complicated and highly coveted watches in the world. Rolex Daytona Unicorn Ref. The second most expensive Rolex ever to be sold in public, this timepiece has been making waves ever since Hodinkee first profiled it in 2013. Collectors can't get their heads around the existence of a white gold vintage Daytona. The Daytona was meant to be an everyday sports watch, so the decision to make it from a material as luxurious as white gold is unconventional. 6265 was manufactured in 1970 and today comes with a deluxe white gold bracelet. This one-off wonder also features a beautifully contrasting black dial with white gold indexes. Philips, Auction Place, Geneva. This important precursor of future Patek Philippe wristwatches created quite a stir when it was first launched in the 1940s. Its case design was indisputably avant-garde in style and proportions, rounder, larger and with elongated and slightly curved lugs. Despite the efforts of horology experts to uncover the details, not much is known about this watch. Except that it was one of just 2 Ref. 1527 timepieces, it features a chronograph with date and moon phases. The movement also includes 23 jewels, the buckle is made from 18K gold which, along with the watch's rarity, partly explains the reason why it fetched such a high price when sold at auction. Patek Philippe 2 Crown World Time Ref. Known as a Grail watch, highly covetable and superbly desirable, this Patek Philippe timepiece is one of the most mythical and legendary in the horological world, befitting of a brand that has created some of the best men's watches of all time. The watch is known as the Silk Road 2523, its standout feature is a dial featuring a map of Eurasia. It also boasts a world time complication, dual crown, 41-city ring, and is both elaborate and instantly iconic at once. This choppered timepiece, with its 15-carat pink diamond, 12-carat blue diamond, and 11-carat white diamond, is probably the latter. But if you can afford it, then why not? It's just an extra bonus that it happens to tell the time. And if this particular model isn't for you, take a look at our ranking of the best luxury watches for women for more ideas. Best for. Confirmation that diamonds are literally anyone's best friend. Graf Diamonds. Occupying second place in our rundown of the most expensive watches in the world, the fascination is the work of Graf Diamonds, a British jeweler brand known for acquiring and polishing some of the world most famous diamonds. Not only is the fascination a masterpiece of horological craftsmanship, a unique demonstration of diamond mastery, definitely one to give all other women's watches a run for their money. This timepiece consists of 152.96 carats of white diamonds and a 38-carat pear-shaped diamond dial in the middle, which can also be worn as a ring. A convertible watch means double bang for your buck, all $40 million of it. Best for gems and jewels galore for big spenders with a penchant for bling. The most expensive watch ever made is another Graf Diamonds creation. The hallucination is, as the name suggests, truly breathtaking and brilliantly fantastical, featuring a kaleidoscopic array of 110 carats of different colored diamonds in a range of different cuts. Set into a platinum bracelet, the hallucination brings high fashion to the world of horlogery. About as far from a tactical watch as you can get, it's almost easy to forget this piece's timekeeping capabilities. But there is a tiny dial in the center of all that sparkle. With the eye-wateringly high price tag of $55 million when it was first unveiled at Baselworld in 2014. The hallucination is the culmination of thousands of hours of work from a team of designers, gemologists, and expert craftsmen.